Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 94. Get ready for the dictation. Start. We have to hand today. Under last Wednesday's date. Another copy of the wonderful catalogue issued by Crowder and Sanderson. Their motor cycle department rather appeals to the boys in this school, and we have therefore sent word that we should like several extra copies of the catalogue. The new leather belt, just over a yard in length for use with a waterproof coat, seems wonderfully cheap. There is also a rather attractive lamp with silvered reflector suitable for any holder, and this should take well with the boys. These people are enterprising. They are inventors as well as dealers, and therefore we should be able to rely upon their motor fittings being absolutely up to date. Stop. Thank you.